Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Pinataob ng Pampanga Giant Lanterns ang San Juan Knights 82-76. Best player of the game si Enzo Serrano matapos humakot ng 16 points, 3 rebounds, 7 assists. Michael Garcia 16 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists. Justin Baltasar 14 points, 19 rebounds, 7 assists. Clemente 12 points, 2 rebounds. Alin Liwag 10 points, 14 rebounds. Concepcion 5 points, 3 rebounds. Bahio 3.6 rebounds. Arwin Santos 2 points, 3 rebounds. Para naman sa natalong koponan na San Juan Knights, Marwin Taiwan 18 points, 2 assists, 2 steals. Orlan Wamar 16 points, 5 rebounds, 3 assists. Panganiban 14 points. Zachary Wang 7 points, 9 rebounds. Michael Kalisaan 7 points, 3 rebounds. Pasok na sa MPBL National Finals ang Pampanga Giant Lanterns na may kartadang 2-0 lead kontra sa San Juan Knights. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Para naman sa South Division Finals Game 1, tinambakan ng Bacoor City Strikers ang Batangas City 89-68. Best player of the game si James Quico Teye sa kanyang 25 points, 4 steals. Nag-ambag naman ng 14 points, 7 rebounds, 2 blocks si John Normal. Mark Ye 10 points, 10 rebounds, 4 assists. Lodobese 9 points, 4 rebounds, 4 assists. Hirota 8 points, 5 assists. Para naman sa kupunan ng Batangas City, Jixter Apinan 15 points, 13 rebounds. Levi Hernandez 11 points, 4 rebounds. Mark De La Virgen 3 points, 5 rebounds, 7 assists. Isit 8 points, 2 rebounds. Ablasa 7 points, 3 rebounds, 4 assists. Isang panalo na lang ang kailangan ng Bacoor City Strikers para makapasok sa MPBL National Finals. Sa November 17, 2023, nagaganapin sa Batangas City ang South Division Finals Game 2 sa pagitan ng Batangas City at Bacoor City Strikers alas 7 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.